Hi guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step process of how to fill in MITHIBAI and NM form. I know आपके बहुत ज़्यादा questions हैं and that is the only reason हम भी stuck थे because payment नहीं हो रहा था. Then after that, you know, seat selection कब आएगा, center selection कब आएगा, question है सारे. So guys, stay tuned till the end. Watch step by step. जहाँ पे भी आप stuck हो, आपको ये video definitely help करेगा. And really sorry for being little late. But yeah, let's just watch it. And अगर आप stuck हो तो as soon as possible अपना form भर दो.
Go to the website MINCET.in and click on the register now button. Click on the sign up button next, and these are the details that you'll need to fill to make an account. After clicking on the sign up button, the verification link, that is the activation link, will be sent to your email ID that you've just given. Once you click on the activation link sent in your email ID, you will be redirected to your account profile, which you can now log in at any time using your email ID and password that you created. Fill in the given details and read the instructions carefully to upload your profile picture. They have given an alternate link in case the file size is big or not appropriate. You can use that link to adjust your profile picture the way you need to, and read the instructions carefully to know how your profile picture should look. The red asterisk mark signs are the important and compulsory details that you need to fill. After uploading your right profile picture, click on save and continue. And that's how you created your profile for this entrance exam. Now click on CET apply now. Now you can fill the application form of CET, keeping in mind that the red asterisk mark details are compulsory, which means details like middle name is not compulsory and is optional. You can leave that. Some details are already filled, automatically filled through the profile information that you filled before, so you can edit the rest. After filling in your parents and guardian details, you can click on next. Which now leads us to the payment part. A total of 2000 rupees. Make sure to check both the check boxes of terms and conditions and click on the terms and conditions in the blue text to actually read the terms and conditions carefully. Now click on the green pay button to make an online payment of 2000 rupees. Now after a successful online payment, you can click on schedule now to book your seat in the center closest to you. Also, a friendly reminder, all the details regarding the CET will be sent to your email ID, so make sure that you check your email ID and save all the details for future. Now we come to the page which shows us the requirements you need to know and have during the entrance exam. After reading it carefully, click on the agree button. Now we come to the page where you can find a test center closest to the address filled in before. They have mentioned the test center's name along with the address and the distance from your address. On clicking the test center information, you get more detailed address along with the Google map. You are required to select 3 centers. On the first go, they give you 10 centers closest to you which show more option. You can click on next as you select the 3 options you needed to. And now you have to select a date for your one test center which you prefer the most. You have the option to find another test center again in case you don't find these 3, the chosen ones, to be the right ones. The dates highlighted are the only dates available for your test center. Once you click on the test center, the dates available for that center will be shown. Only the dates highlighted with black and bold are the ones available. After clicking on the right date, you now select a time, preferred time for your entrance exam in your center. The time slots will be shown which are available in blue box. Right now they're shown only one because that's the only time available for this center on this date. And now comes the crucial part where you cross-check all the details you have filled in so far, the date, venue, time, etc. After you're done cross-checking, click on Next. Once again, you confirm the appointment details at the center, and once you're done rechecking it, you click on Submit Order. And voila, you've registered yourself for the CET entrance exam. Good luck!
As you guys saw, this is a CET form, मतलब कि कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट फॉर बोथ एनएम एंड मिठीबाई. तो आपको अलग अलग फॉर्म नहीं भरना है. आपके मार्क्स आने के बाद आप कोर्सेज एंड ऑल डिसाइड कर पाओगे. ये सेंटर का ऑप्शन आपके पेमेंट करने के बाद आएगा. सो ये सबसे ज्यादा क्वेश्चन था कि मैम पैसे भरने को आ गया है बट सेंटर का ऑप्शन नहीं आया है. सेंटर और डेट सिलेक्शन वो आप जब आप पैसे भर दोगे उसके बाद आएगा. आई होप गाइज द वीडियो वॉज इन्फॉर्मेटिव. फिर भी कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज कॉमेंट बॉक्स में लिख दो. आई ट्राई टू आंसर दैट इन माई लाइव सेशन. सो वॉचिंग एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर लॉट ऑफ such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.